JBL Tune 720BT versus JBL Tune 770NC. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to give you a detailed comparison between these two headphones, and by the end of this video you are going to see which one is better for you. So this is the table that I have created, in which I have added the specifications, and with the help of these specifications we are going to compare the JBL Tune 720BT and the 770NC. So as you can see that both of these are over ear headphones. If we talk about the Bluetooth network or the Bluetooth version, then both of these supports the 5.0 Bluetooth version. Now the active noise cancellation, so the JBL Tune does not have it, whereas the JBL Tune 770NC has the active noise cancellation feature. So here we have the clear winner, that is JBL Tune 770NC. If we talk about the battery life, so without ANC, you can get the 50 hours of backup in the JBL Tune 720, whereas in the 770NC you can get the 72 hours of the battery backup. So here also JBL has 770NC has a slight edge. If we want to consider the battery life without ANC, then the JBL Tune 770NC you can get up to 44 hours of the battery backup. Next, we have some of the features that are common in these two, that is charging time, that is approximately 2 hours, voice assistant integration, so both of these has this. If we talk about weight, the drive size, frequency response, and the foldable design, so these four features are also same in both of these two headphones. If we talk about the pricing, then fortunately 720BT comes with a very lower pricing, whereas the 770NC comes with high pricing. Sound quality is good in 720BT, whereas it is enhanced with the help of the active noise cancellation feature in the 770NC. So here we have the better sound quality in the 770NC. If we talk about the comfort, so no doubt the 720BT are comfortable, but with ANC feature embedded into it, the 770NC has slighter edge than that of the 720BT. So the table is in front of you, and as you can see that which is the clear winner. So the JBL Tune 770NC is the clear winner. So if you want to go for, then I would recommend you to buy the JBL Tune 770NC, and it worth your penny. So I will put the best buying links of both of these down in the description as well, so you can check out the description. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.